How does water enter into the root hair cell? The plasma membrane is a semi-permeable layer that regulates the entry of water into the root hair cell through the process of osmosis. It ensures that the cell maintains its turgor pressure by controlling the flow of water and solutes from the soil. The cytoplasm is the internal fluid of the cell where metabolic reactions occur, not the gateway for water entry. The nucleus serves as the control center for genetic information and does not participate in the physical transport of water. The cell wall provides structural support and is fully permeable, meaning it does not act as the final regulatory barrier for water entry. What type of tanks receive water from sedimentation tanks? Filtration tanks receive water after the sedimentation process to remove smaller suspended particles and microorganisms through layers of sand and gravel. This stage is a critical component of the multi-step water purification process used in municipal systems. Which substance reacts with HCl to give the salts zinc chloride and water? Zinc oxide is a basic oxide that reacts with hydrochloric acid in a neutralization reaction to produce salt, zinc chloride, and water. This follows the general chemical rule, metal oxide plus acid, salt plus water. At what temperature does water begin to change from liquid to gaseous state? At standard atmospheric pressure, 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point where water molecules gain enough kinetic energy to overcome atmospheric pressure and turn into vapor. This phase transition is a physical change where the temperature remains constant until the liquid has fully evaporated. Where is most of the water on Earth found? Approximately 97% of Earth's water is found in the oceans, which are saline and cover about 71% of the planet's surface. This vast reservoir is crucial for regulating global climate and supporting a massive diversity of marine life. Groundwater accounts for a small fraction of Earth's total water, though it is a primary source of fresh water for human consumption. Rivers and lakes contain only a tiny percentage of the Earth's total water volume, representing a portion of the surface freshwater. Glaciers and ice caps hold the majority of Earth's freshwater, but they represent only about 2% of the total water on the planet. What is exerted on water when a force is applied to a piston? According to Pascal's law, pressure applied to an enclosed fluid is transmitted undiminished to every portion of the fluid and to the walls of the container. This principle is fundamental in hydraulic systems where a small force on a piston generates significant pressure. What is the density of water? The density of pure water is standardized at 1 gcm superscript 3, 1 gram per cubic centimeter, at a temperature of 4 degrees Celsius. This value serves as the baseline for calculating the specific gravity of all other substances. When a paper clip floats on water, what force balances its weight? Windmills operate by capturing the kinetic energy of blowing air, which exerts force on the blades to make them rotate. This mechanical rotation is then used to perform work such as grinding grain or generating electricity. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.